So for the next part, what you're gonna do is, it's totally up to you, because you could hang the lollipops or you could just display them however you want, but I like to display mine in a pot. Terracotta pot, they're about $1.50, and I link to them in the description. And I just paint it black in any areas that you're gonna be able to see. And then I'm gonna go ahead and decorate it. So I thought with this cute polka dot ribbon, I could do an opposite polka dot pot, and it's kind of the same shape. So what I like to do is stripes around my rim. Okay, so there's the rim, and then I'm just gonna put random dots around it. Let's do a big one. So there's a little empty space there. Oh, that's good. Too much there. I'm gonna put a big one. It's all just random. Let's do like fun. Okay. So then with this, you just take some craft foam, floral foam, whatever. I got this at the dollar store. You poke a hole in it, and then you just put it in here. And then normally, well, for my Christmas lollipops, I put cotton batting in it. But for the Halloween, I picked up some fake spider web, because you just want to kind of disguise this. And again, you could just display it without the pot, or you could even hang the lollipop. So just stretch out your web. Okay, it's so cute. It looks like it really looks like a cauldron to me. So cute. Okay. Look at that. Okay. And then you'll just put your stick in it. And now, okay, so now it's time for the finishing touches for your lollipop. So if you haven't already, you're gonna take your wooden dowel and you just paint it white, or whatever you wanna do. And you should have already put a hole in your lollipop. My Christmas lollipop tutorial is a little bit more detailed, but because I've already done a detailed tutorial, I didn't do it with this one. So to do your bow, you want about 40 inches of curled ribbon, or wire ribbon, I mean. And then of course you're gonna match up your ends. And then I'm just gonna slip that on there. Okay. So go ahead and tie a knot like usual. pull it tight. Then you're gonna make your first loop. And I think most people would wanna go around like that and end, but you're gonna get a limp bow that way. You actually wanna go against your instinct, go around like I just did. So again, you're gonna go around the top like that, and then you're gonna push through under and then pull it. And then start messing with your loops. Okay. Now you're gonna curl the ribbon around your finger. And then pull it out and do the same on this side. And you can always glue your bow up if that's what you would like to do and you want to trim your edges. So that's how you do your bow.